How to change language on WhatsApp. So changing language on WhatsApp application is quite easy and simple. Just you have to open WhatsApp application and select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and now here on this drop down menu box select settings. Once you get access to the settings page, you simply need to select the option of app language, and then as you can see that currently the app language has been set to English, which is also the device language. If you wish to change to any one, you can simply scroll all the way down in this way and select the language that you prefer to use on this app. Here is the different countries language like Hungarian, Hindi, that is of India, and Myanmar. So let's select on Hindi, and as you can see that our app settings or the app language has already been set to Hindi. So in this way you can easily change the language on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. That's it for today, and see you in the next video.